Option B is the first answer. Second one, can you try? Take 1 minute, all of you try. Certain force gives an object of mass m1 an acceleration of 12, and for m2 an acceleration of 3. What acceleration must be given to the mass of m2 minus m1? Force is same, huh?
D, sir.
Answer 1.
Answer is 4. Option D.
D, okay. So first formula of force is mass into acceleration. From this you get F is m1 is F upon a1 and m2 is F upon a2, and m2 minus m1 will be f2 upon a2 minus F upon a2 minus F upon a1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So here the force acting will be F, let acceleration be A, is F upon A2 minus F upon A1. Throughout this FF will get cancelled. So 1 upon A will be 1 upon A2 minus 1 upon A1. That means 1 upon A is A1 minus A2 upon A1 A2. Therefore A is A1 A2 upon A1 minus A2. 12 into 3 upon 12 minus 3. 36 upon 9, 4. Correct. All of you got same answer?
Yes.
Next one, third. How many sums are there total? Can you check?
225.
225. बाप रे, क्या बात कर रहे हो? 225 है?
Yes, sir. Homework include.
अच्छा, total 225. Now we have to set the target to complete this. Just keep on doing. Third one. Second, can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Third. A body of mass 10 kg moves with constant speed of 10. Body of mass 10 kg moves with constant speed of 10. A constant force acts for time 4 seconds. Okay, and gives the speed of 2 in opposite direction. V1 V2 is 2 meter, but in opposite direction. Magnitude of force acting on the body is how many meter? Force acting gives the speed of 2 in opposite direction. Can you get acceleration from these three? What is acceleration? Final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. So final it is minus 2, initial it was minus 10, and time is 4 seconds. Therefore A equals to minus 12 upon 4. So A equals to minus 3. Force equal to MA. M is 10 into 3, 30. Anybody who has not followed third one? Fourth. Mass of 5 kg starts from origin with initial velocity of 30 I cap plus 40 j cap, constant force of minus 6 I minus 5 j Newton is acting. The time in which y component of velocity will become 0. Take 2 minutes, tell me what is your answer.
40, sir.
4040 second you got.
Yes, sir. C option.
Correct, correct. Others also got same.
Yes, sir.
How you did? Initial velocity in y direction is 40. Acceleration in y is minus 5. Therefore, no. Force in y direction is minus 5. Acceleration in this is F in y upon mass. F is minus 5 upon mass 5. So minus 1. Therefore, our formula is V minus U upon T. A along y is minus 1, V along y we want 0, U is along y 30 upon time, along y U is 40 upon time T. Correct, T is 40. Perfect. Ananya? Hello, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Any test you wrote from your class?
No, sir, tests have not started as yet.
Acha, they have given some break to you?
Yeah, I said no, 2 weeks, there won't be papers.
Acha, theek hai. So in that 2 week, make yourself as strong as possible.
Yes, sir.
Fourth completed, fourth one. Shall I clear fourth? Yes, what you are doing? Can I complete? Clear it? Tasmai?
Yes.
Fifth.
Yes.
Fifth one.
Sir, we have done up till 50. Sir, if we only do the doubt question, it'll be faster.
You have done till 50?
Yes, sir, you told to do 50.
हाँ, but you have done? Okay,
Yes.
फिर तो बहुत अच्छा है. Perfect. 1 to 10, any doubt?
No, sir.
अरे वाह, superb. 11 to 15, any doubt?
Sir, 12.
12, okay. बहुत अच्छा बोला आप लोग ने. अरे मैं भूल गया, मैंने दिया था आपको करने के लिए. A stone is dropped from height h, okay? It hits the ground with certain momentum, that is p, from certain height h. If same stone is dropped from height 100% more than previous, means 2h. The momentum when it hits the ground will change by what percent? Okay. P dash लिख लेता हूँ, what percent? What is formula for momentum? Is it mass into velocity, Aniket?
Yes, sir.
So if this you call as P1, this you call as P2, then P1 upon P2 will be root of V1 upon V2. Is
Yes,
V1 upon V2 mass same? What is V formula? Root 2 GH. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So root 2 GH, root 2 G double H. So ये cancel हो गया. So you get P1 upon P2 is equals to कितना? 1 upon root 2. Therefore P2 is root 2 times P1. So percentage increase will be 1.414 minus 1 into 100. Not followed?
Followed.
41.4%, which is given B.
Done, sir.
Then from 13 to 20,
No, sir.
nobody's having doubt. 13 to 20.
No, sir.
Okay.
sir.
20 to 30.
Sir, 22.
22. Any other sum? 20 to 30?
No, sir.
Good. That means if you are really got the answers, excellent work. 22. Impulsive force is large and acts for short time. Very correct. Impulsive force large and short impulse time तक होना चाहिए. बराबर है. Reason. Finite change of momentum should be produced by the force. What is meaning of finite change in momentum should be produced by force? मतलब एक substantial change produce होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir.
तो चेंज इन मोमेंटम मतलब फोर्स इनटू टाइम बराबर है 22 का. ए इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. बोथ आर करेक्ट. ए. नाउ टिल 30 you said no doubt. 31 to 50.
Sir, 34.
34. A body of mass 4 kg is accelerated by a constant force, travels distance of 5 meter in first second and distance of 2 meter in third second. Oh, sorry. M equals to 4 kg. It covers distance of 5 meter in first second, 5 meter in first second, and 2 meter in third second. Force required acting on the body will be how much? For force we require acceleration. What is formula for distance covered in nth second? U plus half a into 2n minus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Distance covered in nth second is half of u plus half a 2n minus 1. So in first second it is u plus half a into 2 into 1 minus 1. 5 is equals to 5 equals to u plus half a 2 into 2 minus 1 1. Therefore it will be, chalo isko equation 1 bol dete hain. Then in third second distance covered is 2 u plus half a 2 into 3 minus 1. Second equation. If I subtract 5 minus 2 will be 3. You cancel. Half a common. This is 1 minus 6 minus 1 5. Therefore 2 3 is 6 is a into minus 4. A equals to minus 6 by 4. Force equal to ma. M is 4 into minus 6 by 4. Therefore in magnitude 6. 6 Newton.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try.
Done, sir.
Now till 42, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
43 to 50, any doubt?
So 47.
47, okay. 47. 46 आया क्या आप लोग को?
हाँ, sir.
ठीक है. A bullet of mass 10 gram is moving horizontally. Okay, ये सबको डाउट रहता है ये सब. Bullet of mass 10 gram is moving horizontally with velocity of 400 meter per second. Strikes a wooden block. Of mass 2 kg. Suspended by the string of length 5 meter. Okay. As a result, center of gravity of block rises upward. Move हो गया. कितने height से? 10 centimeter. The speed of bullet after it emerges out horizontally from the block. Okay. देखो जब ये बुलेट इसमें आएगा इसके अंदर, speed of bullet after it emerges out horizontally from the block. So first both are at rest, है ना?
Sir, bullet is moving.
bullet is moving, yes. After it strikes this, it will move together upward, correct?
Yes. Sir.
And then it will come out with what velocity they are telling. So I can use first momentum ka concept to get velocity or kinetic energy, and then move up. That kinetic energy should become total energy conserved wala formula we'll be using, and then we'll get required answer. पहले concept वाला part समझा? Bullet is coming, block is at rest, so initial momentum equal to final momentum करता हूं, उससे मुझे final velocity मिलेगा दोनों का. Then when it comes out, वो time पे I'll be using law of conservation of energy. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So before collision, after collision का conservation, is it same or different? Hello?
So can you repeat?
I said momentum before collision, after collision, are they same or different?
Same.
Same, correct. तो ये ऊपर जा रहा है तो पहला मैं एनर्जी यूज करता हूं. बाय लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर ब्लॉक, kinetic energy plus potential energy on ground should become kinetic energy plus potential energy at height. Suppose its kinetic energy is half mv1 square. v1 मतलब ये ब्लॉक का स्पीड है. Potential energy is 0 at bottom. Then it comes to rest here. That block comes to rest. For block we are writing. So kinetic energy becomes 0. Potential energy at that height is mgh. mm I can cancel. So velocity of block at the height is root 2gh. That is root g is 10, height is 0.1, which will become root of 2. ये हो गया velocity of the block. Now for block and bullet both together, momentum before collision equals to momentum after collision. Before collision means these two isolated system. Mass of block m, speed was 0 before collision. Mass of bullet m, speed of bullet is v. Then after collision, block of mass m moves with velocity v1 and bullet moves with m. इधर v1 लिखा मैंने. Suppose it is v dash. So m into 0 is 0. Then 10 gram is 10 raised to minus 2 for bullet into velocity 400 will be mass of block 2 kg into velocity root 2, mass of bullet 10 raised to minus 2 into velocity of bullet v dash we want. So this will become 4 equals to 2 root 2 plus 10 raised to minus 2 v dash. So 4 minus 2 root 2 is 10 raised to minus 2 v dash. So 4 minus 2 root 2 upon 10 raised to minus 2 is v dash. Just come till this. Just reach till this. 4 minus 2 into 1.414 upon 10 raised to minus 2 is b dash. So 4 minus 2.828 upon 10 raised to minus 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 2 will be 7. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 4 1. 117.2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is closest to 120.
Yes.
So option is C. Sum number 47 we did. Now 48, 49. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
48, 49, no doubt for you all. 50 and 51.
Sir, 51.
51.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many I had asked to do you?
Sir, 50.
50, sir.
खाली 50 बोला था?
Yes.
Okay. 51 na? 51. A person holding rifle, mass of person and rifle together is 100 kg. Stands on a smooth surface and fire 10 shots horizontally in time 5 seconds. Each bullet has mass of 10 gram. Muzzle velocity of bullet is 800 meter per second. Average velocity acquired by the person, bullet, person, and the average force exerted on the person. Okay. By law of conservation of momentum, mass of person into velocity of person plus mass of bullet into velocity of bullet at the start will be mass of person, velocity of person, इसको मैं u देता हूं और ये plus mass of bullet into final velocity of bullet. Initially both are at rest. Yes, initially person and bullet both are at rest.
Yes, sir.
Then mass of person, velocity of person plus mass of bullet, velocity of bullet. Mass of person, velocity of person is minus of mass of bullet, velocity of bullet. Mass of person 100 kg. Velocity we want. Mass of bullet is 10 grams, so 10 raised to minus 2. Velocity of bullet by which it comes out is 800. Therefore, this will become 2 zeros you can cancel. Minus of 0.08 meter per second. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Person's velocity we are getting because he goes back minus of 0.05. 08 माइनस ही है ना, 10⁻⁸ 100 kg था उसका वेट, तो 100 and 200 we cancelled. Mass of bullet is 10 gram, so 10⁻², kilogram. Therefore it will be minus of 0.8. But this way how many bullets are fired? 10 bullets, no?
Yes, sir.
So total impact will be into n, into n, into n, that is minus 0.08 into 10. So therefore it will become minus 0.8, first part. Then we want force. What is formula for force? Rate of change of momentum upon time. N times change in momentum upon time. Time is given 5. Okay, just copy this much. Done till minus 0.8.
Yes, sir.
Now we want force acting on that person. So I can also start like this. Work done on the person is change in kinetic energy on the person. So this is force into average displacement, maximum velocity upon time. This is half m v maximum square upon time. थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन फास्ट होएगा इससे. 1 v maximum you can cancel. So we get f upon time 5 equals to 1 upon 4. Mass of that person is 100 into 0.8 upon 2. Half of m into 0.8 upon 2, and time is into time, sorry, yeah, speed into time, so 5. Therefore f equals to एवरेज था इसलिए v मैक्सिमम अपॉन ये 2. एक मिनट, अब वापस लिखता हूँ, समझेगा नहीं तो. Average force into average displacement is half m v maximum square upon 2. So average force is initial 0 plus velocity v upon 2 into time t. That is 1 by 4 into m v maximum square. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 v max we can cancel. So f equals to m v max upon 2t. M is 100 into 0.8 upon 2, time is 5. 5 into 2 is 10, cancel. 8 Newton. So 0.1 and 8 Newton, 0.8 and 8 Newton, option B. Completed? Hello,
Yes, sir.
completed?
Done,
Right.
sir.
Try next one. Planner I had given, I am not able to get. Are you trying 52?
Sir, at rest.
Final answer you got C is at rest. That one you got?
Yes, sir. V
Other,
0.
anybody else got same answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Answer is correct. All of you got same, or shall I try? At rest is correct answer. Anybody who didn't get the answer? A shell of 5m is acted upon by external force, burst into 3 fragments of mass m, 2m, 2m respectively. If first 2 segments are moving in opposite direction with 2v and v, then what is third speed? So initial momentum is 5m, at rest 0. After splitting, m moves with 2v and in opposite direction with velocity of 2v and v. M minus 2v plus 2m is moving with v plus 2m. Last fragment is suppose v dash. So it will be 0 equals to 2 times mv plus 2 times mv minus 2 times mv plus 2 times mv. So it will become 0 plus 2 mv. Therefore, mv equal to 0. Velocity is not 0. Mass is not 0. V is 0 at rest. Correct. Try till 59. एक प्लानर लिख लो बराबर. फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे. Here you will solve 51 to 100 today. If any doubt is there, we'll clear tomorrow. 101 to 150. Yes, 53 got the answer. Option A.
Yes, sir.
54, C option.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
55, A option.
Yes.
56, option B.
Yes.
Okay, 57, option A. Trying or got the answer?
Yes, sir. Got.
Option A. And 58, is it C?
Yes.
59. 59, anybody got answer? 59?
I'm doing now.
Do it, do it. Option answer is A.
None, sir.
Okay. Is the answer coming 12?
Yes.
Others also got same?
Yes, sir.
Try 60, 68th. Yes, answer D. 60 वाला answer, is it D?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 61. The angular amplitude of simple pendulum is theta 0. The maximum tension in the string will be how much? Maximum tension is at bottom. So T maximum equals to mg plus mv square by L. This is maximum tension at the bottom. Mg plus, once I get V, I get my answer. Mgh is half mv square. H is L into 1 minus cos theta is half v square. So 2gl 1 minus cos theta is v square. Therefore T maximum is mg plus m by L 2gl 1 minus cos theta. L will get cancelled. That is nothing but mg plus 2mg completed till this.
Yes, sir.
Now after this you have to be careful. One minus cos theta, is it 2 sine square theta by 2? Theta is here, theta 0. Yes, this you know formula. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2.
Yes, sir.
For smaller angle, theta is very small. That also you are knowing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this can be written as theta square upon 4. 2 cancel. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So even this theta will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled from this. So we get mg plus mg theta square. Now take mg common, 1 plus theta naught square. This is the required answer. Option D, important sum. One plus theta naught square.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, that's all for today. Tomorrow, please try and complete till 100. So we'll do doubt solving of further till 101.